Hey, this is Chez with Abe Roofing. I'm here in Vincennes, Indiana. I want to talk to you today about chimneys and going through your roof. About 90% of all leaks happen around chimneys, and nowadays a lot of chimneys aren't being used because they vent your water heater out through the wall, or your heaters out through the wall, and then there's no gas going up through those chimneys, so there's no need to have them going through there, a hole in your roof. So what we've done, I'm going to show you right here, what we've done is we took the chimney down below the roof line, capped it, and then roofed over the top of it. So let me show you that real quick. So as you can see, that chimney goes up the side of the roof and then stops there at the soffit. It used to go up another 8 feet. We demoed it. They were having some leaking around there, some issues, so we had to replace some damaged decking there as well. I had a second chimney on the backside, but it vents their boiler in the basement. So what we did was we deleted the chimney down below the roof line, put a cap on it, and then put a vent pipe up through it so it's still vented, but you don't have that big chimney with the flashing issues and all that stuff. So we were able to stop any concerns they had there in the future. So this is the other chimney we were talking about. We deleted the chimney, capped it in the attic, and then put a vent pipe up through that so that the heater still could vent. So it's a lot easier to keep water around out of your roof around a round pipe rather than around a chimney. It's possible, and we do it every day. This is an easier solution. That way you don't have a chimney, an old dilapidated chimney that needs to be tuck pointed or whatever. A lot of cost can go into that. These are easy to maintain and look great. This is copper roof. Some people love them, some people hate them, but they do show up. What a great looking roof. Our installers did a great job. Our crew did a great job putting this on. So if you have chimney issues, leaking around your chimney, give us a call, set up an appointment. We'll come out, assess the situation, give you a roofing solution, and get you taken care of. Set up an appointment. Abe Roofing will take care of you. Have a great day. God bless.